Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we are with again a new video that is a continuation of CPT modifiers. Okay, CPT modifiers, I have created a playlist so you can go through it if you have any doubts with any sort of modifiers. So before that, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it interesting, please do share it with your friends also. And I'll introduce myself. I'm Dhanya Kamal. I'm a CPC certified trainer and work as a trainee consultant for DV Sahasra Tech Solution, Chennai, Kerala and Dubai. Okay, so come on, let's don't waste the time. We'll enter into the video. Modify 77 means repeat procedure by another physician on the same day. For example, a patient has undergone a procedure, and if the patient is experiencing any sort of complication, so what the patient is doing here means he is not going to the same doctor, he is going to another doctor and telling that doctor so and so procedure has been done to me and there is some complication resulted here. So what another doctor will do is he will repeat the procedure again. That is called as modifier 77. Modifier 76 means repeat procedure by the same physician. By 77 means repeat procedure by another physician. That is the difference here. Okay, so it's a very simple modifier. For your clear understanding, I have added a PPT. You can go through it. If you have any doubts, please do put it as a comment or just mail me also. It is very simple. 76 means repeat procedure by the same physician. 77 means repeat procedure by another physician. So you have to add the procedure code which has been repeated and put an hyphen and add modifier 77. That's it. It is very simple modifier. Thank you so much for your time. Take care. Bye bye.